Vanasiri Rural Development Society, Ranebennuru, Haveri District, in association with Andheri Trust and Andheri Ilfi, is working on poverty eradication, stopping of labor migration, women empowerment, and other rural issues from past 8 years. They work in 10 villages of 5 panchayats in Ranebennur Taluk, Haveri District. In these villages, laborers often migrate to bigger cities in search of jobs. Women do not have a voice. People hardly have any clue about the government policies which were meant for their upliftment. To start with, Vanasiri encouraged women, laborers, and farmers to form self-help groups, associations to organize themselves, conducted meetings, trainings to educate people about reaping benefits of government policies, sustainable agriculture methods, integrated farming system, water conservation techniques, and so on. Many farmers took advantages of these trainings and implemented them. Baramalingappa, a member of Kanakadasa Asakta Sangha, a local farmers association, implemented integrated farming systems on his farm. He has planted papaya saplings and expecting good results, thanks to the trainings he received. Basavaraj Kogali, a member of Chaudeshwari Raita Sangha, reaped the benefits of Narega and other government schemes. He got trenches dug around his farm, built shed, and got training in poultry farming. He has adopted integrated farming system, and because of which his income has doubled. This young farmer has planted areca nut saplings in his 2.5 acres of farmland. He takes guidance from Vanasiri on organic fertilizers and also on various government schemes. Siraj Ahmad Mehboob Sahab Kiledar, a member of Siddhi Vinayaka Farmers Association, was growing only cotton in his farmland and faced shortage of water during summers. Vanasiri advised Siraj to adapt integral farming system and dig trenches for conserving rainwater, which he followed. Siraj's income increased because of integrated farming and his water problem resolved because of the trenches. He too has reaped the benefits of government schemes. Rashtriya Gramina Udyoga Khatri Yojana, a government scheme to ensure minimum work for laborers, was not properly implemented in Haveri district. With the help and guidance of Grama Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat, and Jilla Panchayat, Vanasiri initiated projects like desilting of lakes, road constructions, afforestations, horticulture activities, improving farmlands, etc., through which laborers started to get work locally. This stopped laborer migration to a certain extent. Lakshmamma Lamani, a member of Guddada Odeya Kuli Karmikara Sangha, says that they stopped going outside for jobs. They work on local projects now. Savita Malesh Lamani, who maintains labor attendance records, also she addresses labor grievances. Savita says she does not hesitate to reach out to the higher authorities when it comes to solving their problems. Hemavari utilized Narega scheme to dig trenches around her farmland. She also has a vermicompost pit and uses that fertilizers on her farm. Local farmers were made to understand the urgency of preserving water, and catchment ponds were created to collect rainwater. The results are overwhelming. Birappa Shivappa Gowder and his friends used to migrate to the cities in search of jobs. When Vanasiri confronted them and assured them of local jobs, they reluctantly agreed to not to migrate. Vanasiri helped them to get bank accounts and job cards. Birappa and friends started an association. With the help of Vanasiri and local panchayat, they started getting work in the local projects under Narega scheme. It's because of their efforts, the lake, which used to be dry most of the year, now full with water due to desilting and trenches. Under Mahatma Gandhi Udyoga Khatri Yojane, every family with job card was ensured 100 days of work. 3,500 laborers got benefited by this, and around rupees 6 crores directly credited to their bank accounts as wages. Migration stopped for a certain extent. A district level labor union, Mahatma Gandhiji Labourers Union, was formed. The union collected rupees 7 lakh through membership fees. The president of the labor union says that they have around 3,000 members. 100 days of compulsory work per family did not solve the migration problem completely. After 100 days of the work, laborers started reconsidering migration again for jobs. Then came an innovative concept of Labour Bank from Vanasiri Rural Development Society. Labour Bank formed with an intention of providing labour support for farmers for their timely harvesting and additional employment opportunities for the labourers. The Labour Bank acts as a bridge between labourers and farmers. Labour Bank helped labourers to get jobs even after their 100 days of compulsory work per family exhausted. Local agricultural activities will flourish when labourers are given work locally. There were instances when local farmers complained about lack of labourers to carry out full-fledged agricultural activities. Now, because of the Labour Bank, the dearth of the labourers are not there. Many farmers who used to struggle to get labourers on time are making use of the Labour Bank. They contact Labour Bank call center for their labour requirements in advance, and Labour Bank connects to them to the required number of labourers, thus providing win-win situation for all. Labour Bank provides social securities like Ayushman card, Arogya card, Labour card, insurance, etc. for all its members. It also provides food grains in reasonable prices. Vanasiri Rural Development Society is working hard to make this initiative a movement. When local requirements are fulfilled locally, it creates a self-sustained society in all aspects. Vanasiri's programs are carefully crafted to address rural issues like unemployment, migration, water scarcity, and many more. The positive changes in the rural communities are strongly felt wherever Vanasiri has its presence. Vanasiri Rural Development Society works along with Krishi Vijnana Kendra, Hanumanamatti for the betterment of farmers. They are doing great job in the arena of soil and water conservation, grain processing, soil testing, educating farmers in various agricultural technologies, and now they are trying to stop the migration completely through a unique program called Labour Bank, says Dr. Ashok P., Senior Scientist, Krishi Vijnana Kendra. Vanasiri Rural Development Society, a NGO which is operational in the Haveri district, Vanasiri mobilizes job card holders and also helps laborers to get job cards and make them work for land resource management projects under Mahatma Gandhi Rashtriya Udyoga Khatri program. They are the bridge between government and beneficiaries, says Manjunath, Joint Director Agricultural Department, Haveri. With Vanasiri's support, Agricultural Department reached 2.3 lakhs mandates and carried out various projects like trench constructions for soil and water conservation, and so on. Vanasiri introduced many programs for the welfare of farmers and laborers in the field of health, social security, imparting knowledge and trainings. Unique initiative Labor Bank deserves utmost appreciation and recognition. Andheri Hilfi and Andheri Trust have joined hands with Vanasiri Rural Development Society from the past 8 years. Vanasiri's programs improved quality of life of laborers, women, small and very small farmers in North Karnataka's rural districts. Andheri Trust and Andheri Hilfi have witnessed the success of Vanasiri's programs in prevention of labor migration, imparting information on government schemes, mobilization of farmers and laborers by forming organizations and training them, women empowerment, and so on. Identifying the projects in land resource management, soil and water conservation, rural road construction with the help of agriculture department and panchayats so that laborers can get jobs locally is highly appreciable. Followed by a unique initiative, Labor Bank, Andheri Trust and Andheri Hilfi want to congratulate Vanasiri for all these. They are satisfied with the functional attitude of Vanasiri and willing to be a part of their future endeavors as well, says Mr. Emmanuel Muniz, National Coordinator, Andheri Trust.
ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಭಿಯಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಂದೋಲನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಭಿಯಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಂದೋಲನಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಭೂಮಿ ಉಳಿಸೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೃಷಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಭೂಮಿ ಉಳಿಸೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೃಷಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಭಿಯಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಂದೋಲನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಂದೋಲನಕ್ಕೆ